Hi, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, and I think I might still not go to work today because my body temperature is still high. So it's still 39.2. Yes, yesterday is 39.8, 7, and sobrang hina ko kahapon. And also, ano yun? Yung BP ko, blood pressure ko, sobrang baba rin. It's 90/60. So, low blood. Kaya alos hindi ako makatayo kahapon. Hirap na hirap akong tumayo, maglakad, but I have to really to go to the hospital yesterday para ma-check up ako at para mabigyan din ng tamang prescription para mas lumabas na yung klema ko. Ayun. Ito, pumuputok na. So, how can I work na kapag pumasok na ako? So, since absent na ako yesterday, so today, I also might be absent again. Kasi, still not okay. 39.2 pa rin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit di mo nga baba yung lagnat. So, hindi naman ako mainit inside. Siguro outside my body. Dun mainit yung katawan ko. Imagine 39.2. Diba? So, ayun. This is life. Kapag may sakit, nanghihina. Ang hirap kapag mag-isa. Well, just an update. Just some realization that being alone without nobody is kind of hard. So, maybe it's the time for me to find someone. Just kidding. Wala pa sa isip ko yan. I need to focus on myself first before anything. Darating yan, kusa. Not today, because this is not a perfect timing for someone. I'm not ready yet. Still not ready yet. So, ayun lang. Just an update. Bye.